This is how you're going to set up a line of credit on QuickBooks Online. To track borrowed funds and repayments from a line of credit, you should set it up as a long-term liability account. So first step, you're going to head over to the gear icon or settings right here, just beside your profile icon. And then you're going to click on Chart of Accounts just under your company section. Now from here, you're going to click on the new at the top right corner right here. It should appear right here. You're going to click on New Account. And then from here, you're just going to name this line of credit or anything that you want to name this one, something that is easy for you to identify or remember. And then from here, you're going to select account type. So you would usually select long-term liabilities or other current liabilities if you have it right here. But in my dashboard or in the layout of my QuickBooks, I have found it in the current liability section. So if you can't find it anywhere else, you can just click on current liabilities and then select the detail type. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you find a line of credit. Now you're going to have to click, or you can just enter this unpaid balance as of which is the date, and then you can also add a description right here, and then you can just click on save once you have filled all of this out. Just click on save, and then it will be added to your chart of accounts. You will be able to find it when you scroll down and try to look for the name that we have set, and that's it. You can also record initial funds from here. So when you receive the initial funds, you can record a deposit into your checking account, linking it to the newly created line of credit liability account. And that's it. That is how you're going to set up a line of credit. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.